Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. I am just making sure that I can pop up the live here on my Facebook business page. Just give me 1 second, and as you're popping in, say hello. I am letting you all know that my online class for my thank you cards just opened up today. And as you pop in, say hello. I'm just going to give it a second, but I'm so excited that my registration for my online thank you card class just opened up this morning, and I was going to go over the details with you. Like I said, the registration for my online thank you card class opened up today, and it runs to April 3rd. You will be getting supplies to make 8 cards with envelopes. You are going to be getting a quarter pack of the Everyday Happiness designer paper. I love this paper. I am obsessed with these colors, and it even includes one of my non-favorite ink colors, outgoing ink colors. You're also going to be getting a full packet of the Riverside Irregular Pearls. Obviously, this is not the amount that you're going to be getting. You'll be getting the full package. You will also be getting a spool of linen thread. And all of those supplies will be $33 plus shipping and handling. I'll be sending out, I know, isn't it pretty? It seems like my connection's a little slow. So if my connection is a little slow, I apologize, friends. We're having some internet issues going on in our area. But like I said, the supplies are $33 plus shipping and handling. I will be sending it priority mail. Registration goes from today until April 3rd. Packets will be mailed on April 17th, and the video links will be emailed out to you on April 26th. Like I said, this is kind of like a craft at your own pace. The videos are pre-recorded and available up to about 2 years. I'll be emailing those out to you privately. You get invited into a private Facebook group that we do prize patrols and fun things where people share their projects, and especially if they go rogue on the projects. It was really wonky, but better now. It is off of Wi-Fi, so I'm not sure why the connection is being wonky. So I did take it off of Wi-Fi, so hopefully it's clear now. We should be good to go. I'm kind of moving things around in my image here. Are we frozen? Hold on, guys. Let's just make sure that, okay. I'm not sure why the connection's bad, because it is not, I'm going through my phone and not on Wi-Fi. So hopefully it clears up, because we're coming up on the best part of the live, the sneak peeks. It is better now. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's kind of rewind, go back since things are a little wonky. Online thank you card class, we're making eight cards. You'll be getting supplies to make 8 cards with envelopes. The quarter pack of the Everyday Happiness designer paper. I love this paper. And yes, I am using wild wheat on some of the projects. A full packet of the Riverside Irregular Pearls. I love these. They're iridescent, so they pick up any of the colors, especially the blues and the greens. And a full spool of ribbon. And let's look at the projects. I know that's what you guys are here for. And again, this is online. Craft at your own pace. They are pre-recorded videos, so I will be uploading those to an unlisted Facebook link, or not Facebook link, YouTube link, and those links will be emailed out to you on the 26th of April. But here is the first project, just standard. Look at that paper. Isn't that paper fun? And then we have this design, and we have this design. I'm going to have the insides done, don't worry. And we have this design. See, this is where that wild wheat comes into play, and I don't hate it right now on this. So we have this design. Here we go, diving into some fun folds. A double gate fold. And I'll show you in a minute what stamp sets we will be using. I meant to show you that as well. We have this design. We have this fun design. So it goes like that, and then it flips up like that. And then we have this design. So 8 very simple layout projects we will be using, and this is not included. You will have to have this on hand or purchase, if you're a non-demonstrator, if you'd like to purchase the products or the stamp sets and bundles that we are using. The main bundle that we are using is the Everyday You and Me. And if you are not a demonstrator and don't have a demonstrator that you are currently working with, I would love to work with you. So there are 2 options of that. And then the other stamp set, and you can use any stamp set that you have in your arsenal for thank yous. I just happen to use the My Small Business because it has all these different thank you options. And if you're a demonstrator and want to create thank you cards for your customers, this is the perfect stamp set to do that with. Or if you just want to make regular thank you cards, you can use any thank you sentiment that you would like. But those are the projects. Do we have any questions about the class? Again, you'll be receiving in your kit the supplies to make the 8 cards, the quarter pack of Everyday Happiness, the package of Riverside Irregular Pearls, spool of ribbon, and any shapes, additional shapes that I created. These projects will also be incorporated in your kits. The bundles and stamp sets that you would at least have to have, I would say, if you want to make them exactly like mine because of the flowers in the Everyday You and Me bundle, I would highly recommend getting this. Or if you have another flower bundle that you would like to use, or if you have another stamp set that you would like to use. But if you'd like to make the projects just like mine, that's the bundle that I used, and then the stamp set, My Small Business. And again, the price for the class is $33, and I will be sending out that priority shipping in a padded envelope. So that is the information. Again, this is a pre-recorded video, so you can craft at your own pace. You do not have to be available for that class. But I wanted to go over all of the projects that we're creating. I really love these folds. I really like this one. I really thought that this was a really fun, unique fold. It was like a double little surprise there. And then the double gate fold I really love. And then what would also be fun is if do the double gate fold and do the same concept that I did with this and have another flip up card. So there's so many options that you can do that, but I will do the step-by-step instructions. And again, you'll be invited to the private Facebook group that Patty Bennett and I have created. We do all of our classes together there. And again, we have prize patrols, we have samples, we have people sharing their projects where they've gone rogue, and you have so many fun ideas and that. So, but that is it for my live today, making sure we don't have any questions. I'm so glad that you enjoyed these projects, and I hope you join in on the fun. Again, the registration link is, I will put this in the description in this video. as well as if you are watching the replay on YouTube, it'll be in the description box below. But all of my details of the class are on my blog today, March 20th, 2025 at cardsbytlc.com. So if you go to cardsbytlc.com and you are watching the replay, it is on the post that is in the description box below. So I hope that you join in on the fun, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy first day of spring, and I will see you all soon. Bye, everyone.